Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create text behind a person effect. So for us to be able to do this, we need to have a video in here of a person. So what we need to do is we'll just need to import that one in here. So you could simply drag and drop the video that you want to use in here, and or you could go ahead and click onto the import button in here to browse onto your different file. So as you can see, I have the video already in here, and to add this onto our timeline, just simply click onto this plus icon or simply drag and drop it in here. So as you can see, we have the video of the person in here. And for us to be able to go ahead and add in a text, let's cut this one first. Let's leave it up until here and let's add in a text. So for us to be able to add a text here onto the upper part corner of the screen, we could see the text. Click onto that one and then we'll add in a default text. So for example, we want to write in here basketball. So we could leave it just like that, make it bigger. And then we'll try to change also the font for that, just like this, or you can make this bigger. So as you can see, it should look something like this. And let's fit this one here onto our whole video. Then right after, we'll just have to export this one first. So you need to wait for this one to be finished. Now, once this one is done, what we need to do is we're gonna head back here and we'll remove the text. So let's remove the text first of our edited video. And then right after, let's go ahead and import the video that we just recently exported. So let's add it directly here onto the timeline just like that. And it should look something like this. Right after, what you need to do is you need to click onto the original clip for that. And here under video, we have the cutout option. So simply click onto cutout. And then right after, just do the auto cutout for that. So we'll just need to wait for this one to be processed. And let's try to change this one first. So let's have this one onto the part. And it should look something like this. So the video that you have exported should be onto the bottom part, and the video that you have cut out should be onto the upper part, so that it should look something like this. So as you can see, if you do a quick preview, the text is already behind the person. And that is just basically it, how you create a text behind a person effect. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.